As there was a public furor and hue and cry over the juvenile accused being given the punishment of writing a 300-word essay, the Women and Child Development Commission has now constituted a committee. The committee was set up as soon as the order was given in this case, wherein a 4-member committee will now try and find out if there was any discrepancy, if these people had worked under the influence. The report of this committee is expected to be out by next week. The committee takes 15 days to form a report. On Sunday, when this order came out, that of the juvenile accused being sent to being asked to work with traffic police for 15 days and then being asked to write a 300-word essay. Apart from that, he was asked to seek psychiatric help and doctor's help so as to work on his drinking habit. After which, because there was a hue and cry, the Pune police had also reached out to Juvenile Justice Board all over again, making some changes in the FIR. The 304A section was replaced with IPC 304, which means culpable homicide, and which is where the new order had asked the juvenile to be sent to a remand home for 15 days. Now, amidst all of this, considering there have been several questions that have been raised on this very Juvenile Justice Board passing the order, a committee has been formed. The 4-member committee will find out and speak to people who are involved in this. They will also try and understand the track record. In fact, the Juvenile Justice Board has a 3-member team. Of the 3 members, there is a 1 judicial member and 2 non-judicial members. The commission will now look at these 2 non-judicial members because the judicial member is not under purview of the state government. After these 2 members are interrogated, investigated, was where a report will be sent to the state government to understand the conduct of these 2 people in this case. In fact, the whole order had come to light. There were several questions that were raised as to how an easy punishment such as this is given when 2 people have lost their lives in this case. The commission has also gone further and said that if there's anyone who has in fact gone out of their way or has worked in a way that he shouldn't, no one would be spared. Action would be taken against each and every member who was a part of giving this order and if they've erred in it. 1 judicial member will not be investigated in this case. However, the report that's presented by the commission will be sent to the judicial committee as well in case they want to act on it. However, the break that there was only 1 member who was sitting when this order was given has also been confirmed by the commissioner in this case. The commissioner has said that there was a 3-member bench that sat on a Wednesday when the order was given to send the accused in a juvenile home. This 1-member bench is something that has come to forth. In fact, the letter which has the signature of that 1 member is also out in public. This investigation would be submitted before the state government parallelly. There are other investigations that are also being done. One by an inquiry committee investigating into the fact that there were allegations against these doctors of tampering with the blood samples. Apart from that, there are allegations against the Juvenile Justice Board. So here, all of these allegations are now being investigated, taken on a serious note by the state government. The Juvenile Justice Board members, of which 2 are non-judicial members, can in fact be questioned, while the 1 member cannot be questioned. Juvenile Justice Board is a quasi-judicial authority in this case, and the quasi-judicial authority is also under the scanner for giving a lenient punishment to the accused. Every day, a new cover-up, in fact, comes to place about how the family had tried to work with the system, had tried to tamper the system in its way so as to ensure that the juvenile accused in this case goes scot-free. However, as the investigation proceeds further, there are more details that emerge, shocking details about how there were several people right from top to bottom who were approached to ensure that the accused's name is not mentioned in the case.